Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. So today I'm making a new account because this girl has gone on to an account I made not long ago, like 10 minutes ago, and she's given it a makeover and she is getting it VIP apparently, even though she's not VIP herself. I'm just gonna call it, I don't know, just a bunch of numbers. Beautiful. The passa's going to be low 1, 2, 3 if you want it, then come together. Just going to be in this video for a few seconds. A minute. Yeah, this is just why. I'm going to click. Because, yeah, it's really weird for the username on my account that I've just let someone go on me do a makeover on. The stupid thing is that I haven't added myself, and I didn't. This is on UK, by the way. I just keep switching servers. Eliza P. This is the account. Sorry, that's background. Oh, jeez. Okay, she's definitely changed my outfit. Where's my VIP? And in 10 minutes, in a few minutes, not 10 minutes, I'll go on the account. Oh, these are all hairs. Lucky me. I'm just gonna make them colours that, it's a bit weird. I'm gonna make them colours that you guys might want. We can actually look like a neat account. I like blonde. Anyway, my hair is blonde. That's that. And I like that purple. I'm trying to speak over the background noises. Well, she hasn't messaged me back, so that's rude. 32902 is my name. Bye bye. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't think anyone will want those. No. Maybe white. Yeah. That hair's a bit ugly, but sorry if you like it. Just gonna make it that colour. And a skirt. Let's do it in not very nice. I'm just making some colours that are over here. Sorry if you don't like them. You don't have to wear the skirt, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go onto the account. So I'll be back. It hasn't changed the password, and that's the thing. Oh, she's bought me some shorts. Okay, that's nice. You can have this account, anyone. I don't go onto the USA. No, I mean I don't go onto the UK. Gave you a makeover, can't do VIP. Oh, okay. Wow, she didn't hack me. What is this? Oh, this girl messaged him. So, I said I have no Instagram, I have no Snapchat, but I actually, well, I do, but it's my flippant personal account. Well, it's not really personal, but I don't really go on it, so I'm not looking at it. Because it's not cringy, I would say. It's not cringy. Because it's not even pictures of me. How old are you, Noia? Question mark. By the way, I'll give this girl a makeover, so this is not her you're talking to. I make Nonya. Yes. How old are you, Nonya? In real life, none of your business, please. It's me back. Where's my VIP? That's what I said. I don't know. Oh, it's just buzzed. Not buzzed. I don't know what I'm on about. It's just ping. Oops. Oh my god. What? 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 Let me just get like that. I'm acting like a noob. By the way, if I haven't said already, you can have this account. The password is Eliza123. Just saying, if you want this account, no password is Eliza123. Eliza. We have worked on the Andy knows. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up today. Don't know why I just started saying that, but yes, I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but yes, playing this game. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Goodbye! By the way, this account is still up to hack. It's Eliza123, and the username is Eliza P. And this one is still hackable, even though I forgot. I think the password's Eliza123. I don't know. But yes, you can go hack it. If it's Eliza123, then yeah, have it. I don't know what it is, I've kind of forgot. I have short-term memory loss, so bye.